Just a little 10-piece for it, just to blow it in the mall. Doesn't mean that we involved. I just put a Richard on the card. I ain't go playing ball.
How are you? Thanks for tuning into my channel, Watch Berry Learn. I have like a hair review I want to do from, what is that? Original Queen. And it's my first time really like taking it out my closet and really thinking about using it because it's like deep wave and I don't really do deep wave. So I was like, you know what? I'm about to do something new in a few days. So I'm like, you know, why not just do something new with my hair, right? So tune into my channel, Watch Berry Learn. You know what it's about. Me, my hair reviews, anything that I got going on new, that's cool. So this is about Original Queen, right? See the box? Cute. It's cute. Pink and white. Really cute, right? 100% human hair, it says. Nice little amount of money. It was cute. This comes in the bowl. Came out the box. Here you go. Look. Some wig caps. You know, other people be getting eyelashes. I never get eyelashes. And I'll be wondering, like, why? But anyway, okay, cool. This is cool. You can never have enough wig caps. So, boom. Here goes the hair. I want you to see it in its entirety. Okay? Do you see? Okay, nice. The curl is soft. I ain't gonna lie. The curl pattern is really, really, really nice. I really like it. This is the only thing. This is kind of like not matching. Like it may look like that right now, but it's not. It's like I kind of see like a tint of green. And see, this is why I don't usually do. That's why this was in my closet for so long, because like I don't like when hair get too big, and like you can't tame it, and you know you. So as I was saying, I don't know, I wanted my light to really show you this. Like, it's tinted a little green. Like, so at this point, you would think like it's my color, but it's really not. Like, I have to like bleach the knots. And I hate when I have to bleach knots because it's like, you get this overly orange color sometimes. I don't like to deal with. I want it to look as natural as possible. And if the knots is not dyed right and the lace is not the right color, you can't slay. No, baby, you can't slay. If the knots ain't right, you got to get them right. Get the knots right. No, okay, I'm just joking. Anyway, so look. So the hair is good. It's 22 inches. You know, I don't know how it looks. But we'll see. And I'm going to rinse it black. Yeah, so I'm going to rinse it black. And I think it's going to be really cute. And I'm going to try to do this right. So I'll let you know. Because I feel like this is going to be a lot. I'm going to really have to like fix this up. But I know it's possible. Because I'm me. Right? All right, ladies. Oh, I can't believe that tint of green. That is blowing minds. But it's cute. Like, I was rubbing it.